Yo, I am not going to lie to you, fam. That was the most exciting females game I've ever watched. Ever. And I've seen some I see Jamaican team qualify for the World Cup. I was excited. But this game, Aston Villa versus Manchester United, riveting. Riveting party. It was so much fun. So much fun party. Where do we begin? Listen, before we talk about Manchester United versus Tottenham yesterday, how do all of that? First, let's focus on the game that Manchester United just completed. Let's focus on the game that just got concluded from Aston Villa 2, Manchester United 3. Here we take it. Manchester United just got the 3 important points that we needed from. This was one of those critical games of the last 5 games that we have this season. Now this is the critical part of the season. Manchester United played 3 games ahead of Chelsea. They're 41 points. Chelsea's 41 points. Manchester United is 47 points. So